Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
Exciting today, I'm going to show you how to repair your intake air bypass control valve. And that's this little thing right there. It's that little bitty thing right there. That's that. And to give you an idea where it's at, there's a throttle body. There's a vacuum line that goes from right here. You follow that vacuum line and it goes to that there, which is that there. I damaged it. I broke the nipple off doing something. So here's how to fix it. First thing you're going to want to get, go to Home Depot or Slows or one of them and get you this sleeve insert. Why? You're going to find out why. Okay. Next you're going to need is a 532 drill bit. Why? Because that's the same circumference as this. Again, you're going to find out in a second. The other piece will probably be broke into the hose that you got. Well, I kind of left mine at the store like a moron, but luckily I have a 76 Jeep Cherokee that has vacuum lines on that it doesn't need. So here we go. Oh yeah, you're gonna need epoxy of some kind too. First thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to drill that out to the circumference of this. Be mindful now, because you do it too far, you go in there too far, you're gonna have problems. Well, if you can drill it, that's fine. If you can't, I tried drilling it and it didn't work. So I epoxied it because it's got another vacuum line going to it from there. Because you walk over here and this is the other vacuum line and it goes into the bottom, the cold air part here. So I wasn't worried about it. And I'm just gonna plug this up with something. I don't even care right now because that wasn't causing my problem. I just accidentally did it. And from what I can tell what it goes to, it's just the like how the old ones were on the V8. It's just sucking the air out of the block and back through the intake is all it's really doing. Kind of like the old V8s did in the valve covers. IPC valves or some shit, I can't remember, but it don't seem to be anything of importance to me, but I'll let you know.